Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys an unboxing, an Ipsy unboxing for the month of April. We're in April, right?
Yes.
Okay, for April. So let's get into it. If you guys want to see what's in this bag, just keep on watching. All right, so let's get into this bag. Okay. First off, it looks like this. It comes with a little card which explains what does it explain. What I got. Okay, so what I got and how much it is. So the bag I got was this like pastel-y green. It's really cute.
Oh, that's cute.
And yeah, so it's nice, travel ready. So for the first product, I got a Tarte eyeliner, Tarte Double Take eyeliner in the shade black. So I got full size product. That's number one, and this one goes for $24, so that's pretty good. The next one is this context nail set right here, and the nail colors. Let's see what nail color we got. Ooh, this is like a. There's two. It's like a.
You should try it out.
Mauve, pink, purpley color, and a. See, like a gold color, gold bronzy type of color. So that one goes for, let's see, $30 for the set. And the names are, what are the names? Rocket Queen, which is in the gold color, and then this is what? Don't Cry. So I can't wait to try that out, especially in this time. Okay, the next one is, I got a lipstick, matte lipstick from Dose of Colors in the shade Brick. So I can't wait to, I only have one Dose of Colors. I think it's the nude one. I believe it's the, I forgot what the shade is, but it's like, I think the lightest color.
Stone?
No, it's not stone. It's like a nude color, but this one's in Brick. So I'm excited to try that one, and that one goes for $18. I can't wait to try this out. I'm gonna see how this looks. Let's see. Ooh, it's like a brownie. I don't know. Let's see.
Like a brick, maybe?
Like a brick. Ooh. Looks like this.
Oh wow.
It's nice. I'm gonna wear this already. This is like my type of shade. I want to see how it looks dried up. I'll show you guys later when it dries up. And the next product is Celia. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Celia. I don't know. It's this one right here. And this is a cream rose, the very best cream rose. What does this one do? Massage into skin as often as this. Oh, so this is like a body cream. Hydrates and softens. Let's see, how much does this one cost? $39 right here for this one. Let's see how it smells. Take the thing out. It kind of smells like candy, like rose and candy, and ooh, it's really soft. It feels so good, and it smells really good. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so soft. I can't wait to use this or put it in my purse, because this would be something that I can just put on my purse and go. So let's see. My my next products are masks. I got 2 masks here. One says it's instantly recovering luxury cream coating face mask. What does this do? It's recover mask. And the brand is, I think, Star Skin VIP. And then the next one is illuminating. Oh, I need this one. I want to try this one. Illuminating mask. Ooh, okay, can't wait to try this. And how much does this cost? So the pair, ooh, for both of these, $30. $30 for both of these. So for these, usually they're like, what, $6? And these 2 are like $15 each. Oh my god. That means they should work. So, and that's it, you guys. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. Well, this counts as 1. This counts as 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, plus the bag. And let's see if this has dread up. Ooh, it still looks the same color, you guys.
That's pretty.
I really like it. It does look like a brick color, like a red, like a redwood actually. Redwood, yeah, it looks really nice. It's like brown, red, really nice. Something I would probably wear for Thanksgiving. I mean, I can wear it right now, but I don't know. So yeah, you guys, that's all that I got in the Ipsy bag. And I did get the, I got not the regular Ipsy bag, but the $25 Ipsy subscription bag. So I know a lot of people are probably going to get different products. So if you guys got something different, comment down below and tell me what you guys got in your bag. Well, thank you for watching, you guys. See you in my next video. You want to see what's in the box? You want to open it? You want to open it? Open it? You want to go play? You want to see what's inside? If there's any goodies for you? You want to see? Look at this. No, that's not for you. It's for your mama.
Aww.